Hello friends, I am Dr. Vaibhav. I am a practicing dermatologist in West Delhi and I have over 4 years of experience in the field of dermatology and cosmetology, what we call aesthetics too. Today I am going to discuss on the topic of fungal infection. Fungal infection is known as DAR or ringworm in our country commonly, but in medical terms fungal infection is known as Tinea corporis or cruris. Like it is what we look at fungal infection, it looks like a circular lesion generally found on the axilla, groin, face, feet or anywhere on the body it can be found. Fungal infection has become a challenging task for dermatologists nowadays as it is becoming more and more difficult to treat day by day due to the increasing resistance of the older available topical and oral antifungals The importance of fungal infection in the Indian subcontinent or primarily our country India is due to the fact the climate of the country, that is hot and humid. Hot and humid climate is cause of faster development, faster growth of fungus, and it persists for a longer time. To stop fungus from growing or to treat fungus, what we need to do first and foremost is like we need to follow the prescription of a dermatologist very religiously. What we usually do, we stop applying topical antifungals once the lesions have subsided or once the symptoms have disappeared, like we don't see anything on our skin and there is no more itching. But we should follow rule of 2 in cases of topical antifungals. The rule of 2 is we should apply the topical antifungals for 2 weeks even after the lesions have subsided, like when there is no symptoms which we can see visibly. The topical antifungal cream should be applied 2 inches away from the margin of the lesion. 2 inches away from the margin of the lesion, which means we start applying the cream 2 inches away from the lesion and then we slowly in a circular motion 20-25 times we move towards the lesion. We have to move in the circular motion roughly 20-25 times till the cream disappears. We need to have other precautionary measures also, like we should always iron our clothes, especially the undergarments. We should never wear tight footwears because tight footwears leads to increased humidity, sweating, which is another cause of increase in fungal infections. Then we should wash our inner garments and all our clothes daily. We should not mix the clothes of infected and non-infected persons in a family. Then next important thing is the increase in resistance. Why has fungal infection become difficult to treat? It has become difficult to treat because of the over-the-counter abuse of oral antifungals like terbinafine, itraconazole, fluconazole, and griseofulvine, which are the most commonly used antifungals. This has been due to low quality oral antifungals easily available, or we can call due to overuse or abuse of topical steroid creams containing clobetasol, halobetasol, mometasone or fluticasone. We should avoid all these things, and few patients like patients of diabetes mellitus, thyroid, they all are already predisposed to fungal infections. So what we can do is we can consult a qualified trained dermatologist. A trained qualified dermatologist is a person who is having a post-graduation degree like MD or DDVL in the field of dermatology. For further information you may contact me on my number 9999241161, or you can mail me at small_p_m_17.75 @rediff.com. You're most welcome for any of your queries. Bye, take care.